Thanks for your interest in taking a test drive of the Technomedia platform. Technomedia's talent management platform offers seamless integration with the IBM OpenHR suite and includes modules for talent acquisition, performance management, learning management, succession planning, compensation management, and core HR. You can access the test drive from the link and logins you were given when making the test drive request. We'll be using the same environment and logins for today's demo. Today we'll be reviewing the Technomedia Performance module. Technomedia's performance management modules offers traditional performance review capabilities such as robust goals management, annual review, 360 review, manager-only styles of performance management, and more modern types of management such as team reviews, extended workforce reviews, project reviews, and on-demand follow-up. The performance module is fully integrated with all of the other talent modules within the platform. To view the application in action, we'll be using 3 demonstration personas. These will be the same ones you'll use in the test drive. The first persona is Jim Smith. Jim is a system administrator, and he'll use the included configuration tools to set things up. The next persona is Wendy Abbott. Wendy's an employee, and she'll utilize the Technomedia platform to complete career-related tasks, such as performance reviews and learning activities. The last persona is Brad Spencer. Brad is Wendy's manager, and he'll use the system to view and manage his team.
Now let's look at how we create performance assessments. To begin, we'll start by creating a basic performance assessment by logging in as Jim, our HR systems administrator. Setting up a new performance review is easy. After signing in on a PC or mobile device, the administrator simply creates an assessment form from the main menu, which defines the type of assessment being created, along with any specific configuration options such as KPIs for reporting, scoring and rating scales, as well as specific sections or steps, and also who will be assessed. New sections may be created and sections may be renamed as needed. You can also set up print and download templates for each form you create. A form may be a single page or a series of steps. After setting up a form, an assessment period is created, where the key dates are defined such as start and stop dates, data freeze dates, and what review period the assessment should cover. The period also enables further configuration of inclusion and exclusion rules for the population of employees or the extended workforce to assess, and an easy way to set up all reminders. Once an assessment period is established, the assessment is ready for completion based on its selected configuration options, and will be deployed through automated notifications based on the key dates. You can find more details on configuration specifics in the included context-based help system. Next, let's take a look at the employee experience with Wendy Abbott. In our employee example, Wendy is completing her annual assessment. After signing in, Wendy's presented with a career dashboard, giving her access to her team, her career path, and this will also be where she can easily access her goals on demand from any PC or mobile device. Wendy may choose from all available active assessments and also has access to any historic assessments as needed. The assessment, which we just configured as Jim Smith, the administrator, is made up of a series of steps that will help Wendy walk through the process of reviewing her current job, where she can see any specific job requirements and required competency levels. By the way, the Technomedia platform also fully integrates with the IBM competency frameworks. Once Wendy reviews her current position requirements, she can complete a self-assessment of her goals and competencies. If Wendy assesses herself lower than any designated target, the system automatically marks that deficient area as one to be developed, adds it to her development plan, and links it with any available learning content. Wendy can save drafts of her feedback and save each section as final when she's ready to proceed. Following the self-assessment, Wendy can review and set her future goals and mobility preferences, which can be used in the performance review, and also later in people reviews and succession planning exercises, and finally, electronically signing off. Remember, you can define any type of assessment and assessment workflow, including an unlimited number of assessments, so it's tailored specifically to your organization's needs. Now let's take a look at the manager experience. Brad, Wendy's manager, has a variety of tools to make managing the review process for his team easy. First, Brad sees a summary card view of all his team involved in each assessment and can access all archived assessments for easy reference. Brad can also link directly into each section of the assessment as needed to complete managerial review and feedback. Also, Brad can comment on each assessment, set meetings, and perform batch operations with ease. In addition to going into each individual assessment, Brad can stack rank his employees in real time using the distribution tools that help him visualize the overall performance of his team. Changes can be made by simply dragging and dropping employees to new ratings. Brad also has a set of interactive KPIs to let him visually see the progress of his team ratings and use the specific charts as a navigation tool to get to a subset of his team quickly. Finally, Brad can review and manage his employees' goals in a team environment, saving him time since he doesn't need to click into each employee's record to review goals achievement. These are just a few of the features in the Technomedia Performance module. You'll have time to review all of the features in your test drive session.